So feature editing me. I was editing the video, got ready to post it, and felt kind of odd about some of the footage. So I kept it all as it was. I added this disclaimer, so this is why this video is up late too. I just felt like putting myself up on social media, there's gonna be some things that you're gonna see that maybe will be like people could judge or be unkind about. So I just want to post and say, you're gonna see some really dirty spots in our house. Like the bottom of the closet was super dirty. I will say, like, that's why I'm doing a lot of this organization stuff. It's a lot of deep cleaning is because this is stuff that did not happen throughout the school year because I was so busy with school. Like, teachers, you should understand that, like, we're really busy, so some things get dropped. Deep cleaning was one of them. So that's why I'm doing it all now, so that way I'm ready for next school year. You know, hopefully things will be under control. So I post that out there. So no, we're not as dirty as it looks. We do have 3 dogs. So yeah, just kind of keep that in mind as you see the closet, because it is quite disgusting. Also, it's a super old house. They didn't take good care of it. That's what we're doing now. We're fixing it up. So anyways, enjoy the video. I hope you guys like it. Back to the show. I am redoing and refreshing and updating, or whatever you want to call it, our hallway closet. So it was a mess. Like, it was so much crap inside there. There's a lot of stuff that probably can go down to the basement, and because we just don't use it very often. Also, it's this ugly green color, which is what a lot of our house was originally. Like, I guess at some point they must have painted it all this ugly green color. It's like this, like, 60s or 70s or 80s, I'm not sure what era it is, of like this, like, it looks like like a hospital. I found some old paint that I had down in the basement that we used for our bathroom, I think it is, like a light gray. So I'm gonna paint all the walls that, redo the shelves, and then put them all back in and reorganize. But right now I have to go to Dollar General because I need paintbrushes, because I thought we had some, but we didn't, and probably a roller because I really don't feel like hand painting that entire wall. So let's go in and get that, and then we'll head back home. Most of it sorted. Let me kind of show you what I have. Piles everywhere. I've been taking stuff downstairs to go to the basement. I still have not gone through all the towels and blankets and everything we have. That is like all of our, like, I don't know what you call it, like self-care type items. These are our extras that we have of things. These are just different medications that I didn't know what to do with, or like first aid type stuff, which actually I might put with the Band-Aids. because we had this pile over here of Band-Aids. For some reason, we bought a lot of Band-Aids. That over there is trash. This here is trash. That there is different type stuff that I don't know, it's hard to describe. I kind of feel like I just made a bigger mess of everything. But it's going to be organized. Something that sucks is I bought organization stuff from Amazon. Some of it's coming tomorrow, some of it's coming on Monday. So I'm not going to have everything I need because I bought like this little like tray thing to like that slides out so you can put medications and stuff inside of it. And then I also have all the shelves, first coat on of spray paint. I ran out of spray paint, so I'll need to get some more. So it's outside drying right now. They do need a second coat though, because some of them are not looking too great, and some of them like I didn't coat them very well. So, well, all right, I'm gonna try to figure out some more of this mess and take some more stuff downstairs. I was getting ready to edit and realized that I didn't really go over the whole closet. So I might end up reorganizing this a little bit more, but I don't know yet. But this here is all stuff that we just don't use very often. So I just kept it up in the top bin, or the top shelf up in these bins. And then when we get down here, and this is what I was talking about. It's because I have some candles and stuff. Some candles and stuff that probably could just go, oh, you know what, I could probably just set them right up there. Be fine. All of this is like nail stuff, and like here's all my nail polish and nail decals and stuff. So that's all nail stuff up on this shelf. This one here is like our medicines and stuff. Of course, we have our COVID tests back here. You gotta have those. And then overstock, so different hand washes. I love this body wash, but we have extra body wash. When we go to Target a lot of times, since we don't have one near us, I usually pick up extra stuff. This here is all stuff that you would use for like self-care, and so it's like face masks and feet stuff and whatever. Here is antiseptic stuff and like hand sanitizers, Kleenex, and some more like first aid type stuff, I guess, Band-Aids and things. This here is housing our towels. We only have 2 sets here. Then we have 1 set in the bathroom, so we have 3 sets total. We only have 1 bathroom. And then we have 2 sets of sheets here, and we also have 1 on our bed already. So I'll show those there. Then down here is different like throw blankets and whatever. I also wanted to show you guys because I did this today. I actually did this closet too. This is our coat closet. So I went ahead and painted it. I spray painted this. There's a weird bug just flew in here. I don't know where it went. Spray painted this white, spray painted this black, and then I found all of our black hangers to hang our coats on. I might end up reorganizing this still. I have some more, I have another basket that I might end up using because like up here is our like paper towels and stuff, and I don't think they're all going to fit. So, and then again, coats, and then down here some shoes. We have some luggage and a yoga mat way back there. And right over here is the vacuum. All right, I hope you guys like this video. I like organizing and stuff, as you guys know. So there might be some more of that kind of stuff on this channel. Not really sure where I'm going with this yet, but I do want to change up the channel a little bit. So I think that might be a route we're going, but I'm not going to commit to it and tell you guys that's what we're going to do if it doesn't happen. So sorry. But if you do like organizing videos and cleaning videos, let me know and I can post more of them because it's what you guys like. And then, yeah. Till next time, don't forget to always be you. Bye.